Writing Center presents
How to fix your vocabulary problems with a Concordancer.
Hi Kate, what do you want to work on today?
I'm not sure how to fix some of my vocabulary problems in writing, and last time in your feedback you mentioned that I used this phrase, the reasons behind, the wrong way. Why is it wrong?
So you wrote it is important to understand the reasons behind, full stop. Well, I could try to explain it to you, or instead I could show you a tool that will show you how to use that word and as well as a lot of other words correctly.
What tool?
So it's called a Concordancer. It's a special search engine that shows you how a word is used based on examples from a big database of real example text. So a Concordancer that I like to use is called LexTutor.
Why not just search for examples on Google?
Well, because Google doesn't help you sort the examples and you also have to click through a bunch of websites. But for a Concordancer, it curates the examples for you and you can quickly see patterns of good usage. You can also click on each one to see more of the original source text.
Okay.
So I've searched for the reasons behind without the full stop in the really big British academic written English corpus. So can you see any difference in how these examples are different from the way you've used the phrase?
Oh, yeah, none of these examples are followed immediately by a full stop. The reasons behind is always followed by something, a thing.
Right, so the actual pattern of usage is the reasons behind and then a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase.
Okay, but is this all this thing is useful for? Can I use it for any other vocab usage problems?
Like what?
Well, you said I use logical connectors mechanically. Why?
Well, let's first clarify. So, for the example we just looked at, the reasons behind, it's more of a vocabulary usage that was simply wrong. As for your logical connectors, it's more of a problem of style, flexibility of usage, and avoidance of repetition. And all of these are very important to writing well for your reader. So, in your essay, you had 3 to 4 sentences that all begin with therefore. Aside from you using that word too much, you're also using it at the start of the sentence.
But isn't it how it's supposed to be used?
Well, let's look at some Concordancer examples. First, I'll just put in therefore. So the results show 6,834 hits or examples. Look, are many of them at the beginning of a sentence?
Oh, not many. Can we also put a full stop before therefore to see the number of examples at the beginning of a sentence?
Good idea. Let's try. Right, so it only shows 2,738 examples of therefore at the beginning of a sentence.
So actually most of the time, therefore is used later in a sentence.
Right, and you can look at the Concordancer results to see examples of how to use it that way. You can use a Concordancer to look for usage examples for all kinds of terminology. Just now we were looking at examples from a general academic English corpus, but LexTutor has subject-specific corpora for law, for medicine, for commerce, and more general ones for humanities and for social sciences. So you can find a link to LexTutor in the description. Feel free to have a go and try, and let us know if it's good in the comments. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have problems with writing, feel free to book a session with the CAES Writing Center.
Hope you enjoyed this video. For more, check out the videos on the right. If you'd like to know more about us or book a consultation, go to our website. The link's in the description.